Hello kids, today I'm going to teach you a yummy cake without fire. This is a yummy chocolate cake and you people will really love to eat it after making. Really, it was very yummy, very yummy. Take 2 packets of Oreo biscuits and it should be of 10 rupees only. What you have to do is you have to keep it in a tray, and after that take out cream in a bowl. From these biscuits, take out cream in a bowl and separate both the things. After separating both the things, what you have to do is you have to put the biscuits in the mixture and or grinder. You have to grind it properly, and when you will grind it properly, the mixture will become like this. The mixture will become powdered. The biscuits mixture will become, then place it in a ball. After placing it in a ball, whole mixture, what you have to do is you have to slowly add milk in it and mix it properly. After mixing it properly, the things which are there in the video, kindly watch it properly. After mixing it properly, look there, what will happen, the consistency should be the flowing one. In the end, I will show you how the consistency should be there. We have to add milk slowly in this. Look here, this is flowing consistency. Now take 3 slices of bread and take out brown portion with the help of knife. Okay, see the thing which is there in the video properly. After taking out the brown portion, what you have to do is take powdered sugar 1 spoon and add the leftover milk in it. Mix it properly. After mixing the powdered sugar, put 1 drop in a separate plate, this mixture, chocolate mixture which you have prepared. Then place 1 piece of bread. Again put this milk in the first layer, and after putting 2 or 3 tablespoons, put chocolate, the mixture you made earlier, biscuits mixture that you have to put it. Okay, after doing this, on the second slice also you have to do the same thing. First of all, put milk, and after that you have to put again the chocolate syrup over here. After putting chocolate syrup properly on the second slice, what you have to do is you have to put third slice on it now, and same process. First of all, put milk 2 or 3 tablespoons properly, and then put chocolate over it. When your 3 slices will be completed, what you have to do is you have to cover whole bread with the leftover solution or mixture like this. The bread should not be visible from anywhere. You have to cover it properly from all the sides and clean the plate like this. After cleaning the plate, what you have to do is your dough will look like this. The cake will look like this. Now take the cream which you have separated earlier and you have to cut it into half. Cut all the cream circles into half. After cutting it into half, you have to make flowers of it with the help of your fingers softly like this, and you have to make 3 flowers from this cream. Do it softly so that your flower should come out beautiful. Try to make the leaves or the petals with your fingers softly. Okay, and after doing so, when you will complete these 3 flowers, make sure you have to make 3 flowers only. After doing this 3 flowers, you have to place these 3 flowers on one side. On one side, 3 flowers, and when you will put these 3 flowers in the end, what you have to do is you have to pour Melted chocolate, dairy milk chocolate, you can pour on it, melted one in the end. See, as it's done in the video. I hope all of you understood this recipe properly and you will make it nicely at your home. This is very, very yummy. Bye bye. Have a nice day.